What's up, guys? Josh here, back to you with another video. Today I'm going to be installing a kidney grills again, because last month I was on the highway, a random shoe bouncing on the highway hits my car and it breaks the front grill. I'm going to be showing you guys the front broken grill, whatever, but yeah. And then also, like, I'm actually on my way to go pick up the new grills. I got them on eBay for $25 from a private reseller. The grills are worth like $80, but shit talking, my boy. Random ass shoe on the highway takes out my grill. So like these right here are the M style grills, the new grills. Alright guys, so I took off one off camera. So like, you see these clips right here on top of the kidney grill. You gotta push down and then pull on every clip. So it's like 4 or 6 of them. Mine's broken right now. I already know that. So like, there's like these clips on the inside. You just push up on each of them. So it's like easier if the other side's already taken off. We have another clip in here. I think the bottom ones you gotta push up, and then the top ones you gotta push down. Yeah. It's like little clips on them. I'm gonna show you after. This is a clip. Yeah, right. There we go. So this clips, all these clips, the top ones you push down, then the bottom ones you push up. So yeah. So like, what you gotta do is just like push them in. It's the same clips as all of them. You gotta line it up. It's the wrong sound smack. That's it. So as you can see, like it's like the M look, the M style look. I'm gonna put on the other one real quick. Just clicks right in. Look how they look from the side.